Now for the third one, I've already started to work on this question because this first expression is the one we already have here. So it's the same answer, so I'm going to take that from here. And the same here, this is one we've already worked out. The only difference is this time it's subtract. But we're going to remember we're subtracting all of this. Now I've gone ahead and already made a little simplification here. The first term, take away the third term, that's going to cancel. And then we've got sine AB sine B, subtract negative sine A sine B. So that's actually going to give us 2 sine A sine B. Now what we can actually do with these identities is we can actually halve them. So if we take this first one, if we divide both of these by 2, then what we actually end up with is this. 1/2 sine of A plus B, and this is all of this expression, equals what we just found in our warm-up activity. So in other words, sine A cosine B. So as it was 2 and I divided by 2, I'm just going to end up with that expression there. That one you're not going to find on your formula sheet, so that's one that you might want to make a note of. Similarly with this one, if we divide both sides by 2, and this will end up to just be cosine A cosine B. Now we can get rid of all our steps that we did. And then same for the last one, divide everything by 2. Now at the moment it might not be obvious why we're actually doing that. The reason why we're actually to set up these identities is because if I ask you to integrate this, at the moment we don't even have a method for differentiating products, but we're going to come to that very soon. Therefore we certainly don't have a method for integrating products. So what we should notice about this is this should cover all the possibilities. This one's got both sines, this one has both cosines, and this one has one of each. So any type of product involving sine and cosine we can now integrate if we use one of these identities, because this is something that we should be able to integrate.